Hey again, I'm Dipanshi, and today I'm going to show you how to connect with a coach on ShineQuo. Sometimes we all feel a little stuck, whether it's managing stress, figuring out priorities, family, friends, building confidence, or planning next steps in life. Coaching helps you turn those thoughts into clear action and progress. Trust me, it has helped me a lot. The process is very simple. From your dashboard, click Find Coaches or access it from the menu bar. Fill this quick coach matching form. Here, you'll briefly tell us what goal you want to work on and share a little context about your situation. The form is designed to be simple. You can write short answers or long. These are optional, so I'm going to skip them. Just share whatever could help us and the coach to understand how to support you best. Make sure you understand the expectations from coaching and click Find My Coaches. Once you submit the request, obviously you get rewarded for taking action for working on yourself. But yes, you will receive an email once you are matched. Within 24 hours, ShineCo will match you with the three best certified coaches based on your goals and profile. These are experienced professionals who often coach executives and leaders in top organizations. Many coaching sessions like these normally cost $150 or more, but through ShineCo, they're available to you for free. Open the coach profile, explore their experience, and choose the coach who feels right for you. Then simply book a session based on their as well as your availability. You can also add pre session notes if there is something specific you want your coach to know in advance, and then confirm booking. Again, you will earn reward points for taking action and investing in your growth. And don't forget to download and add the calendar invite to your mail so you don't miss it. On the day of your session, you'll receive a reminder email, but you can directly come back on your dashboard and click the Join Now button to begin your session. During your session, you and your coach will work together to create clear action steps you can follow to move forward towards your goal, which further the coach will update post the session. And you will be able to see it under My Sessions. Edit or update your task as completed once done, and connect with the coach until you are able to complete your goals. Coaching on ShineCo is about helping you move from feeling stuck to taking action. Whenever you're ready, submit your request and start your coaching journey.